It is very easy to start a WordPress website, and virtually anyone can do it. Choosing the wrong blogging platform is considered to be among the major mistakes committed by beginners when first initiating a blog. For around 95% of all users blogging, they choose to use WordPress. Starting a blog is sure to be terrifying for every beginner, especially who are not computer savvy. It is very easy to start a WordPress site, and virtually anyone can do it. The website design can be customized with different themes and plugins when installed. WordPress blog's visual appearance is theme controlled. Hence, as you visit your blog for the first time, it will show something that will not be found interesting to many people. It becomes crucial on your part to change the theme to something interesting and exciting so that it can bring in that wow factor and be liked by everyone. Step-by-step guide to building a WordPress website. There are over 15 million of websites running on the Content Management System, CMS. WordPress is the leader in CMS platform that allows any newbie and expert to efficiently create and manage a website at a very affordable